What do you have for us? This rain is going to stick around?
We do, and we have, it came out, I guess today or yesterday, the Old Farmer's Almanac.
Yeah.
Okay, and it talked about the winter. We're going to have our own winter outlook in November. Now, here's the winter outlook for this winter, okay, 2017 to 18. Mild and wet. That's horrible for me because I like snow.
That's great for us.
Yeah, I know. But, and it, actually not cold anywhere in the country except out in the Rockies where it's cold and snowy. But, that's not, doesn't portend well if you like snow for us. Okay.
We had enough snow last year, if I recall.
I thought you might say that. Actually, we really didn't. They were calling for a mild and snowy winter, essentially, I-95 West. We only had like 5 inches at Dulles and 2 or 3 inches downtown. I was very sad last year.
Really?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah. So, and then it was just mild and dry. That was our forecast.
So, what, was it 2 years ago that we had that record? I mean, what happened? I mean, yeah, what am I thinking about?
You're thinking of the blizzard in January 16.
Oh, okay.
As opposed to December 16 into 17.
When you get this age, you forget stuff.
Yeah, well, you were in the right year. That's pretty good for him. All right, so we're looking at, again, our own winter outlook will be out in November. Okay. And that's when we'll take a stab at the first snowfall, measurable snowfall, and how much snow will fall, and temperatures. By the way, temperatures last year were just a little bit below average. It was not a cold winter or a snowy winter. All right, let's